Guys,
To the important issues.
We're going to instantly see the results.
To bring decision makers.
hey guys, it's Gia, and today, when I was playing Doggy Doo, you may not know what Doggy Doo is. This game where you put like this stuff inside of him and you squeeze this and he'll poop it out. Kind of weird, but I got that a long time ago, and I also got this a long time ago. This jelly slime. It's not slime because it's not slime.
No, don't kill me. Don't kill me. I killed her. I killed one of them.
So I found it, and I was like, oh my gosh, I found it. And I'm so happy. Because last time I made slime, it dried out really fast. So I threw it away. That face
Well, I went to the.
So I threw it away. That sound though, bro. Blop. So I'm gonna fix this so you can see it on the table. I'm gonna see if I can't fix it. Something has to hold it. In a bathtub. Oh, this. I don't think this is ever gonna work. Anything work out for me. Be great if I could just do that, stay like that. I'm gonna hold you up by the dog. Alright. Oh wow. So like it's like the sea slime, and like it has. Alright, let me show you. So like there are these little toys inside, and this is a shell, like a seashell. And there's a fish. I think this is a fish. Seashell. Oh, here's a fish. This is the fish. Oh, dropped it. Very tiny fish. Oh. No. It's fish. And there's a purple fish, but I don't know where it is.
If you wanted an impulse, Tim, I could have killed him.
I can like poke it.
Yeah, I know, but if you wanted an impulse in the default, I could have killed her. Oh my god, I killed the one. I killed the main guy. Let's go. I killed the guy that sniped
So I'm
you.
gonna show you it up close
The default's at like 5.
with the seashells in it and the fish in it. It's very beautiful. Sparkly, teal-ish slime. Very beautiful. It's very, like, it's like a greenish teal. Like, I wish this would be the color of the water in the sea. Oh, that'd be pretty. I'll put it on this so you guys can see it. There you go. This is... Nom nom. There's already glitter on this. It's like a print thingy that when I bought it, it came with that on it. So you can see this blue. It's jelly slime. Since it's, I touch jelly a lot, like when I eat it. What? There's like brown stuff in it for some reason. Alright. Like, I forgot what it was. It's like jelly-ish. So if you know what jelly feels like, this is what it feels like. Like when you poke it though. Your hands like sink down into it. Like when you push them down, like the slime breaks for your finger to get into it. So it's weird. So I got this at Walmart. It's like comes in like a mermaid package. But I went there the other day to get some slime, and it was very sticky and gross. So yeah. But I didn't upload the video I made 'cause I accidentally deleted it. It's in the world of deleteness. Alright, so we're going to put some toys in it. I'm going to put the cupcake in it. Carl goes into slime. That's what this should be called. What should this be called? Hello. Hey, can I zoom in? I can't zoom in or out in this mode.
Good, you don't need to zoom in.
I wanted to zoom in on Lulu. Cutie. Ah. If you have a bearded dragon, you know what bearded dragons look like. Or if you've seen one before. My eyes look weird. Alright. It's not as... It's light in the camera, but it's like... kind of like tealish.
Oh.
Like, it's like not as light as it is in the camera. Hold on. Maybe if I could shut one of the curtains, it'll be this color. Make it a little bit darker. Yeah, kind of. It's a little bit darker. Not. So yeah, this is just gonna be a video where I just like play with the slime. So yeah. Oh, and it. You guys want to know it's not sticky. Like when you do this, it might be sticking to you, but then you just. So if you want to know where I keep this, I don't keep it in this tub. I keep it in this little bag. Keep it in this bag. I keep it in there.